Today, we're going to talk about a mistake that every TIG welder has definitely encountered but often doesn't fully understand the reason for. It's when the weld color appears matte, gray, or burnt. An ideal TIG weld should look bright, clean, and vibrant. If your weld is gray, black, blue, or has purple tones, it indicates that something has gone wrong. In this video, we'll cover what TIG weld colors mean, which color indicates which error, and how you can get your weld back to being bright and clean. I'll explain it all step by step. In TIG welding, the color gives us very clear information about heat input and gas coverage. If the weld pool is properly shielded and the heat is under control, the weld will be light in color. But if oxygen or excessive heat comes into play, the color will darken. The meaning of weld colors: silver, light gold, a perfect weld, proper gas coverage, and ideal heat. Light yellow, light blue, slightly too much heat, but acceptable. Dark blue, purple, excessive heat. The amperage is too high, or you're moving too slowly. Gray, black, there's oxidation, the gas coverage is insufficient, or the surface is dirty. Remember, the darker the color, the more oxygen the weld has been exposed to. In TIG welding, argon gas is the shield for the molten metal. If the gas coverage is weak, the weld will oxidize before it has a chance to cool. The most common gas-related problems: gas flow is too low or too high. The torch is too far from the weld. Wind or a fan in the environment. The nozzle is cracked or clogged. There's a leak in the hose and connections. The correct gas setting is 20 to 30 cubic feet per hour, which is about 10 to 15 liters per minute. The torch distance should be 3/16 to 3/8 of an inch, or about 5 to 10 millimeters. If the gas flow is too low, oxygen gets in. If it's too high, it creates turbulence and air gets in anyway. Always use 100% pure argon. For aluminum, using a gas lens helps spread the gas much more evenly. One of the biggest causes of matte and dark-colored TIG welds is excessive heat. Especially with stainless steel, high amperage, lingering in one spot for too long, or a long arc length will quickly discolor the weld. Here's what you need to pay attention to. The arc length should be 1/8 of an inch, which is about 3 millimeters. Use a foot pedal to smoothly control the heat. Maintain a steady forward motion, don't burn one spot. If necessary, take short breaks to let the weld cool down. Proper travel speed plus controlled heat equals a bright weld. No matter how good your gas coverage is, if the metal is dirty, the weld will be matte. Before you start welding, you must wipe the surface with acetone. Completely remove any oil, rust, and dust. For stainless steel, only use a wire brush that is specifically for stainless steel. Your tungsten and filler rods must be clean. A dirty filler rod or a dirty tungsten will introduce contaminants into the weld pool. This directly leads to oxidation and discoloration. Clean metal equals the right color. Even if your weld has some discoloration, all is not lost. After welding, clean the surface with a stainless steel wire brush. If necessary, use a passivation chemical. Do not quench the weld in water. Let it cool naturally. These steps will both improve the weld's appearance and increase its corrosion resistance. In summary, the colors in TIG welding tell you what's going wrong. A matte and dark color means a problem with gas, heat, or cleanliness. With the right settings and clean work, a mirror-like weld is possible. And that's our guide on why TIG weld colors become matte and how to address the color problem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more welding tutorials. We'll see you in the next video.